Quick video to show how to calibrate this drone that uses switches. In fly mode, you'll see, using the NASA M software, that the controller has no effect on the GPS. Right now it's in camera up, camera down mode, and you can hear the camera moving in the background. Now I'm going to switch these both to calibrate compass. And now you will see that same switch is now switching between ADDI and GPS. So right now it's in ADDI. I switch this, it's in GPS. In order to calibrate the compass, you have to switch between these several times to get into calibration mode. It's not going to do that while it's connected to the unit, but you can see that this switch serves dual purposes. So now we'll switch it back to fly mode, and you will see it is now back in GPS mode, and this is only impacting the cameras you can hear in the background. Thanks.